Welcome back to the Isbourne. Today we're going to talk about the 3 biggest misconceptions you have about chakras. Here at the Isbourne we have been helping people like you to take care of your mind, body and soul for over 25 years. So let's get into it. Do you really know your chakras? Chakras are energy centres within the human body. Each chakra helps to regulate your body, from organ function and the immune system to your emotions. Chakra is a Sanskrit word meaning wheel. Therefore, chakras are often depicted as spinning wheels of coloured energy. Chakras appear in many different cultures and spiritual practices, such as Buddhism and Hinduism. When a chakra gets blocked, it can throw you off balance. You might feel this imbalance physically, emotionally, or spiritually. There are many methods of healing your chakras, including Reiki, Tai Chi, yoga, and aromatherapy. The first misconception about your chakras is that you only have 7. Many depictions of the chakras show 7 coloured wheels going down the centre of your body. Sometimes you'll also see one shown above the head. It is believed that the 7 chakras are chosen because they aligned with the 7 planetary energies. But some spiritual practices claim we only have 3, while others claim we have 12 or more. But in reality, we have endless energy centres in our bodies and therefore endless chakras. If you like using your chakras in yoga or meditation, then it can be helpful to visualise the ones that are important to you. The second misconception about your chakras is that they are coloured like the rainbow. Well, this isn't strictly true. Depending on the spiritual text that you read, you will see the chakras described as different colours. Some spiritual texts can get very conceptual, with the chakras being described as the colour of lightning or the colour of rain clouds. Can you imagine what that looks like? Some spiritual texts don't describe the chakras as colours at all, rather depicting them as deities sitting upon lotus flowers. With so many different ways to visualise your chakras, it can be helpful to find one that suits you and stick with it. The third misconception about your chakras is the way you pronounce the word. You might be thinking I've been saying it wrong this entire video. In fact, the official translation of Sanskrit says that the letter C is pronounced CH, as in church. So chakra used to be spelled without the H. But regardless of the spelling, the word is pronounced chakra, not chakra. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned a little more about your chakras. Do you have any more chakra facts? Let us know in the comments. You can also give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content that helps you to take better care of your mind, body and spirit. See you next time.